Welcome to this video's tutorial whereby we are looking at transformation matrix. And here we are given matrix A, and we are told that a matrix maps A into this image. A is 1, 4, A prime is negative 1, 6, and the same matrix maps B, which is 2, negative 5, into the image of B, which is negative 2 and negative 1. So the question which you are required here is that you are going to obtain the matrix. So we are going to obtain the matrix which maps, which is mapping this object A and B. So what we are going to do here, we are going to let the matrix B. This is a matrix which is 2 by 2. We have a matrix of 2 by 2. So even our matrix which is mapping here, we are going to let it be 2 by 2 matrix. So we are going to let it be A, B, C, D. Once we let our matrix to be A, B, C, D, the next thing now, we are going to write our matrix here, A, B, C, D. So this is the matrix of transformation. Then, from there now we write the object. Our object is 1, 4, 1, 4, 2, negative 5, 2, negative 5, that way. This is equal to our image. Our image is negative 1, 6. And the other image is negative 2, and negative 1. So this is our image. So a matrix of transformation multiplying by the object will give you the image. Remember, this is our A, B, this is our A prime, this is our B prime. So that is what we are going to do. Here, you are going to recall that matrices are equal. Two matrices are equal only and only if the corresponding entries in the same position are the same. So therefore, what you are going to do on the left hand side, first of all, we are going to multiply. So let me multiply the row times the column. So you are going to have A times 1 will give you A, then plus C times 4 will give you 4C. So now we have obtained our first element. To get the second element, it is this row times the second column. So you have A times 2. This will give you 2. A times 2 will give you 2A plus C times negative 5 will give you negative 5C. Second, now you have B. B times 1 will give you B plus D times 4 will give you 4D. Next, this row, second row times the second column. So you have B times 2, which will give you 2B. Then you have D times negative 5, which will give you negative 5D. This one is equal to our image. Our image is negative 1, the one which is here, negative 1, 6, negative 2, negative 1. So what you have done here, I have multiplied this row times the first column to get the first element. The first row times the second column to get the second element. Then the first row times the first column to get this element here, as shown here. Now, for two matrices to be equal, then it means the entries which are in the same position of the two matrices must be equal. So it means that this entry here, A, it means this, that A plus 4C is equal to negative 1. And also it means that 2A minus plus minus 5C, it will give 5C is equal to negative 2. That is the meaning. Then This other part, b plus 4d is equal to 6. And also 2b minus 5d is equal to negative 1. So here we have two pairs of simultaneous equation. And we can call this equation 1. This the other one, equation 2. We can call this equation 3. We can call this equation 4. We are going to solve equation 1 and 2 to obtain the unknown. So here I can multiply equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 1. You can do that to obtain. So when you multiply equation 1 by 2, you are going to obtain 2a plus 8c is equal to negative 2. 2a times 1 will give you 2a. Negative 5c times 1 will give you 5c, which is equal to negative 2 multiplied by. Now, these two now, in these two equations, I can subtract. We can subtract to eliminate. So you can subtract equation 1 from 2. So 2a minus 2a will give you 0 plus 8c minus 5c will give you 13c. Negative 2 minus 2 will give you 0. This is 13c, sorry. 13c, meaning that our c is equal to 0. Our c is equal to 0. So we substitute using equation 1, this one here. Using 1 tells us that a plus 4c is equal to negative 1. So we substitute the value of c there. A plus 4 into bracket 0 is equal to negative 1. A plus 4 times 0 is 0 is equal to negative 1, meaning that our a is equal to negative 1. Our a is equal to negative 1. Now, coming here now, on this other part here, considering these two equations, considering equation 3 and 4, you can see here we have b and here we have 2b. So what we can do, it is very, very simple. We can multiply this equation 3 by 2, and we multiply equation 4 by 1. And when you do that, the result will be as follows. The result will be as follows. So you have b times 2 will give you 2b plus 4d times 2 will give you 8d, which is equal to 12. Then you have 2b times 1 will give you 2b minus 5d times 1 will give you 5d, which is equal to negative 1 times 1 will give you negative 1. That way. Then you subtract these two. 2b minus b minus 2b will give you 0. 8d minus 5d will give you plus 13d, which is equal to 12 minus 1 will give you 13. So, meaning that from here you can clearly see that d is equal to 13 divided by 13, meaning that our d is equal to 1. So our value of d there is equal to 1. Now using equation 3, equation 3 it is this b plus 4d is equal to 6. And using the value of d, remember our d we have obtained it here as our d is equal to 1. So using our value of d, which is equal to 1, in this equation, you have b plus 4 into bracket 1 is equal to 6. So b plus 4, 1 times 4 is 4, is equal to 6. B subtracting 4 on both sides will be equal to 6 minus 4, which is equal to 2. Which is equal to 2. Now, since now we have obtained our values, we have obtained the value of A, B, C, D, we are going to substitute. So we let our matrix was A B, C, D, which is equal to, we obtain our A to be, our A was -1, so we are going to write -1 here. Our B, we have found it here to be 2. Our C, it is up here. Our C is 0, so you have 0. Our D is here. We have found our D to be equal to 1. So that is our matrix of transformation, -1, 2, 0, 1. So that is how we obtain matrix of transformation when we are given the object and the image. It is very simple. All what you do is you pre-multiply. All what you do is pre-multiply. You pre-multiply your object with the matrix of transformation, as we have done here. So pre-multiply your object. You pre-multiply your object with the matrix of transformation, and you equate with the image. Also, you remember the fact that when you are given the two matrices which are equal, then the corresponding elements are equal. So that is the fact I have employed here. So thanks so much. For those who don't know how to multiply matrix, kindly check in my YouTube channel, whereby I have shown on how you can multiply matrices and also on the equality of matrix. In the next video, we are going to consider what is called square matrix, and we are going to see how you obtain transformation matrix from the identity graph, and graph which has got unity length. So bye bye, see you in the next video.